How to build a financial AI agent with zero coding. Everyone says you need to be a Python expert or a data scientist to build a trading bot. They're wrong. In 2026, we have no-code agent builders that let you drag and drop your logic into a live, autonomous system. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your first financial AI agent in under 10 minutes, even if you've never written a single line of code in your life. We are entering the era of vibe coding. This means if you can describe your strategy in plain English, you can build it. We'll be using Zapier Central and Make.com. These platforms don't just automate tasks anymore, they host autonomous agents that can reason. Instead of a rigid if this then that rule, we're giving the AI a mission. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. This is where the magic happens. We're going to construct our no-code agent piece by piece. Forget complex code. Think of this as assembling high-tech Legos. I'm going to walk you through the 6 core micro steps to bring your agent to life. Step 1. The trigger. This is the agent's eyes and ears. We start in TradingView. Here, you set up an alert tied to your chosen strategy. The crucial part is the webhook URL notification option. This URL, which we get from Make.com, acts as a direct hotline. When your strategy's conditions are met on the chart, TradingView doesn't just flash a warning on your screen. It sends a digital signal, a data payload, to that specific URL. This payload contains all the critical information: the asset, the price, and the recommended action, like buy or sell. Step 2. The receiver. Over in Make.com, we create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as a blank canvas for our automation. Our first module is a custom webhook. When we add this, Make.com generates the unique URL we just pasted into TradingView. This module now sits and listens, waiting patiently for that signal. The moment TradingView sends the alert, this webhook catches it, instantly bringing the trade data into our workflow and kicking off the entire process. It's the entry point for all the intelligence we're about to build. Step 3. The brain. This is the most important part of our agent. We add the OpenAI Assistant API module and connect it to our webhook. We're not just using a generic language model. The Assistant API is designed for complex, stateful tasks. It can remember past interactions, use tools we provide, and access specific knowledge, which brings us to the real secret sauce. Step 4. The knowledge. Inside the OpenAI Assistant's configuration, there's a feature called the knowledge base. Here we upload a PDF document containing our detailed trading strategy. This is the agent's playbook. You can write it in plain English. If the RSI is above 70 and the MACD line crosses below the signal line, consider this a potential short signal. Do not enter a trade if the current position size for this asset is already at its maximum. By feeding it this document, the AI isn't just guessing based on the webhook data, it's cross-referencing every signal against your explicit, unchangeable rules. This provides the guardrails, ensuring the agent operates strictly within the confines of your methodology. Step 5. The action. Once the AI brain has processed the signal against your strategy and given the green light, it needs to act. We connect the output from the OpenAI module to an exchange module, like Alpaca or Coinbase. Here, we configure the connection to our trading account. Critically, every major platform offers a paper trading or sandbox mode. We can toggle this on, allowing our agent to execute trades with simulated money. This is an essential step for testing. letting you validate the entire workflow without risking a single dollar. Finally, step 6, the safety net. Before executing the trade, we can add an extra layer of security. Using a simple Google Sheets connector, the agent can perform a final check. It can read a cell in a spreadsheet that contains your current account balance or your maximum allowed position size for a specific asset. We can then add a filter that only allows the trade to proceed if the account isn't over-leveraged. This is a powerful, self-correcting loop that adds robust risk management to your automated system, all built with simple, visual connectors. And that's it. A 6-step flow that takes a signal, processes it with intelligence, and acts upon it safely. But what about real-world results? This is where the no-code approach truly shines. The best part? Because it's all visual, you can hot swap your entire strategy in seconds. Think about how markets behave. One day it's a clear, powerful bull run. The next it's a sideways, choppy mess where trends die instantly. For a traditional coded bot, that shift is a nightmare. It means going back to the drawing board, rewriting hundreds of lines of Python, debugging and redeploying, a process that can take hours, if not days. By then, the market condition has already changed again. With a no-code agent, you don't have to rewrite anything. You just jump into the visual canvas, move a few sliders, maybe reconnect a node, and your agent is instantly updated and ready for the new environment. Let's look at 2 quick case studies. First, a classic bull day. The market was in a strong uptrend. I configured the agent with a more aggressive, trend-following logic, designed to buy pullbacks and ride the momentum. As you can see from the time-stamped entries, it executed flawlessly, capturing the bulk of the upward moves. The agent wasn't just guessing. It was following the precise rules we defined in our strategy document, entering and exiting with discipline. Then the market shifted. The trend stalled and it turned into a chop day. Instead of panicking, I simply went into the canvas and performed a hot swap. I dialed back the risk parameters, tightened the stop losses, and switched the logic to a mean reversion model better suited for range-bound markets. The entire change took less than 30 seconds. The agent immediately adapted, avoiding bad trades in the middle of the range and instead scalping small, precise profits from the edges. This adaptability is the key to long-term survival. I've been running this no-code sniper agent for the last 48 hours through both conditions, and the precision on the entries is identical to the custom Python scripts the pros are using. The difference is, I can pivot on a dime without writing a single line of code. This isn't just about making trading easier. It's about making it smarter and more responsive to the reality of ever-changing markets. And there you have it. The barrier to entry for creating sophisticated AI-driven trading agents has officially hit zero. For years, this level of automation was the exclusive domain of quantitative developers and billion-dollar hedge funds. But today, with the power of no-code platforms and accessible AI, you no longer have an excuse to be sitting on the sidelines while this revolution transforms the financial world. The tools are here, they are accessible, and as you've seen, they are incredibly powerful. Now before you dive in, let's quickly cover what you'll need. The prerequisites are simple. A Make.com account, an OpenAI API key, a TradingView account for your signals, and an account with a broker that has an API, like Alpaca for stocks or Coinbase for crypto. Many of these services have free tiers to get you started. Now, to make this process even easier, I've created a comprehensive no-code agent blueprint that you can import directly into your own Make.com account. This isn't just a template, it's the exact framework we built today, saving you hours of setup. Check the link in the description to grab it. I also want to address a few common questions. First, what are the costs? While the platforms have free tiers, running this agent will incur small costs from Make.com based on the number of operations, and from OpenAI based on token usage. It's incredibly affordable compared to traditional server costs. Second, is it safe to start? Absolutely. The blueprint is configured for paper trading by default, so you can test and refine everything without risking a single dollar. Third, what about latency? This cloud-based setup is not designed for high-frequency trading where microseconds matter. It's built for executing strategies based on macro signals, with a latency of a few seconds, which is perfect for swing or intraday trading. Finally, where does it run? It all runs in the cloud on Make.com servers, so you don't need to keep your computer on. The only thing standing between you and your first AI trading agent is the decision to start. So, are you going to build your first agent this weekend? Type "ready" in the comments if you're taking the challenge. Let's see a wave of new builders join the movement. And if you want to master this new frontier, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for more no-code AI secrets. The future is being built, not coded. Let's build it together.